Welcome back to the unit on expressions and equations. Today's lesson is about evaluating algebraic expressions. The goal of today's lesson is that you can evaluate algebraic expressions for given values of the variable. And so some vocabulary you're going to hear today and throughout the unit are evaluate and substitute. And evaluate means find the value of, or calculate the value, and substitute means replace. So replace the variable with a number. And that's what we're going to work on today. So here we're going to evaluate x plus 12 when x equals 5. So we're going to find the value of x plus 12 when x is equal to 5. So I recommend that you work directly underneath the expression x plus 12 and replace x with 5 plus 12, and then we can add those together and get 17. So when we evaluate the expression x plus 12 when x equals 5, the value is 17. Let's look at a multiplication expression, 3x. Now, I say it's multiplication when we see a coefficient or a number right next to a variable. It's implied that there is multiplication there. It's really 3 times x. And so we will substitute 7 for x, 3 times 7, which is 21. So when we find the value of the expression 3x when x equals 7, it's 21. Sometimes you'll have multi-step expressions. So here we're asked for the sum of these two parts. So we will have 20 minus x over 5 plus 2 times x plus 3. So we'll substitute 2 for x. So we will have 20 minus 2 over 5 plus 2 times 2 plus 3. 20 minus 2 is 18 over 5 plus 2 times 2 plus 3 is 5. And then 18 over 5, I'm going to write that as a mixed number. So 18 divided by 5 is 3, with 3 left over, so 3 and 3/5 plus 2 times 5 is 10. And now I can add these together. 10 plus 3 is 13, and then 3/5. So when we evaluate the sum of, it means add 20 minus x over 5 and 2 times x plus 3. So these are added together. When x equals 2, the value is 13 and 3/5. So to summarize, you substitute the given value. So we just saw the value given was x equals 2. And then we calculate following the order of operations. So you saw how to evaluate algebraic expressions for given values of the variable. And that's the end of today's